Reticulated pythons. The reticulated python is the world's longest snake, with some individuals reaching lengths of over 30 feet. These impressive constrictors are native to Southeast Asia, including countries such as Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, and Thailand. Reticulated pythons are known for their distinctive net-like pattern on their skin, which is a complex and beautiful mosaic of colors, including gold, black, and brown. These pythons inhabit a variety of environments, ranging from rainforests and woodlands to grasslands and nearby human settlements. They are adept climbers and swimmers, often found near water sources. Reticulated pythons are powerful predators, preying on a wide range of animals, including birds, mammals, and occasionally even deer and pigs. They use their strong bodies to constrict and suffocate their prey before swallowing it whole. Despite their large size and potential danger, reticulated pythons generally avoid humans. However, they can pose a threat if provoked or if humans encroach on their habitat. In the wild, these snakes play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems by controlling the populations of their prey. Unfortunately, reticulated pythons face threats from habitat destruction and the illegal wildlife trade. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these magnificent reptiles and ensure their survival in the wild.